Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to create an account in your Rednote. So first, open your Rednote app. So it will give you two options, login or other login methods. If you click on login, you will need to log in through your phone number. So you will need to enter your country code, then enter your phone number and use a number and agree with this and log in. So if you click on other login methods, you'll be given two options. Either you can log in from your Facebook or your Gmail. So I choose to log in with Gmail. Click on agree and continue. So it will ask you to choose your Gmail. Click on the one you want to log in as and click on continue. So select your gender after that and you'll need to select your age. Click on next. So now you will need to select your interests. After that, click on start exploring. So if you want the red note to access your contacts, then you can click on allow. Otherwise, click on don't allow. Similarly, you have your manage phone calls. Click on what you need. And there you go. You have created an account in Rednote. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.